My name is Caleb and I am 7 years old. I am in grade 1 in Convent Primary, and I'm going to tell you about my favorite things, dinosaurs. My first dinosaur is Pachycephalosaurus. It was a dome-made herbivore. That means it only ate plants. When the males wanted to mate, they fought over other males by using their head, skulls as weapons, and then when the challenger wins, they can mate. My next dinosaur is Spintonodon. It was a flying reptile. It was found in the early Cretaceous period, and when they wanted to eat, they lowered their lower jaw beak under the water, and then they would catch the fish. And they wanted to land, they had the help of their strong wings. My third dinosaur is Mosasaurus. It was a marine reptile. It lived in the ocean, and it also lived in the early Cretaceous period. It had the head of a crocodile, but it had fins. Thank you.